The 12th annual Show and Shine Car Show at the Itawamba Career and Technical Center will be on October 16, 2021. Motorcycles are welcome. Concessions will be available. Proceeds will go to the student organization at the ICTC. Early registration is $15 and $20 the day of the show. Registration is from 8 to 10 a.m. Awards will be at 1:30. To register early, call 662-862-3137. The Itawamba Career and Technical Center is located 1/2 mile north of ICC on the Access Road in Fulton, Mississippi.